Hi, I'm Brian Rouse, and in this course, we are going to implement a breast imaging reporting and data system made purely in Swift. We will go over the user interface. We'll have a tab bar controller that controls each view controller in our application. So here is a brief look of what the application will look like once completed. Then we will go over the code after we go over the user interface for each controller. Then we will go into our research data set. There is a lot to be learned as a hybrid iOS developer. In hybrid, I mean that you're not just coding Swift applications, you're also using other languages like Python to implement real-world applications such as big data or deep learning networks, or like the BI-RADS application that we're about to actually implement. So if you have any questions, please feel free to drop me an email or place it up for discussion in the Udemy platform. I'm Brian Rouse. I look forward to seeing you in my class. See you there.